Thanks for the Valentine's Day gift, babes. I really love them.
No worry, man, babes. Anything for you. So when my Valentine's gift day. Alright, you ready?
But I wash down the extra good this time. I owe you.
My name is Cookie. I'm here to solve all your problems.
Problems after banana problems.
The way your man flew out of here, I'm guessing you do.
Listen here, lady. I don't know who you is with you and your hobby, you know. But go on about your business. How was that?
This is our coconut jelly wash. It will help with your little problem down there.
I have real sensitive skin though, you know, and everything I can use down there.
This is our fresh cookie mist. It's great for sensitive skin.
Alright, lady. I'm gonna try your product them and see if them work.
Babes, don't they smell good? Way better than before.
Thanks to my sweet cookie products.